Good morning, students. Welcome to part 3 of our chapter number 8, Cell, Structure and Functions. So topic is also the same, cell, structure and functions. We have seen that there are different shape and size in the cell of different living organisms. Right? We have also seen the size and shapes of the different types of cells according to their functions. Now, cell structure and function. Right? You have learned that each living organism has many organs. In the class 7th, you have seen about the digestive organs, which combinedly form a digestive system. Right? Each organ has its own function. Similarly, in plant also, there are different functions for different parts, right? रूट का अपना काम है, स्टीम का अपना काम है, लीव्स का अपना काम है, देखा था ना? So every organ or every part of a body has its own functions, and these organs are made up of a smaller parts called tissues. I told you, what is a tissue? A tissue is a group of similar cells performing a specific function. Here it is given, you can underline it. A tissue is a group of similar cells performing a specific function. Right? Now, the parts of cell membrane. What are the parts of a cell? You can see the picture of a cell given here. The parts of a cell. The wall which you can see, जो box जैसा दिख रहा है, boundary, that is called cell membrane. What is it called? Cell membrane. The center round part, it is called nucleus, जो आपको दिखाया गया है. Right? See, here it is. This box type जो आपको दिख रहा है, that is called cell membrane. Then this center portion which you are seeing, that is the nucleus. And the thing jelly-like substance जो यहाँ पे सब होता है, this jelly-like substance between the nucleus and the cell membrane, this is called cytoplasm. What is it called? Cytoplasm. Right? Right? It is the cytoplasm and nucleus are enclosed within the cell membrane, which is also called a plasma membrane. Another name of cell membrane is plasma membrane. It is a porous thing which allows materials and movements of a substance both inward and outward. ठीक है ना? वो पोरी होता है जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन है, उसमें से मटेरियल्स अंदर बाहर जा सकते हैं आराम से. This is about a cell, right? The boundary portion, that is the cell wall, the center one, the nucleus, and the jelly-like substance between the nucleus and the membrane. It is a cytoplasm. Okay? Okay, this membrane gives the shape to the cell. You have learned that. In addition to the cell membrane, there is another thick layer in cells of plants. Okay, plant cell, उसके पास cell membrane के अलावा भी एक और covering होती है, extra covering, which is called cell wall. Because the plants cannot move from one place to another, so to protect them from high wind or high temperature or high rain, anything, a plant cell has another wall outside the cell membrane that is called a cell wall. ठीक है ना, वो ह्यूमन सेल में नहीं होगा, एनिमल सेल में नहीं होगा, इट इज ओनली इन प्लांट सेल विच हैज अ सेल वॉल। सेल मेम्ब्रेन सबकी होती है। सेल मेम्ब्रेन के बाद एक एडिशनल थिक सराउंडिंग इज देयर विच प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम द atmospheric pressure or moisture, anything, because they can't move. It is called a cell wall. Understood now? Nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, and in a plant cell one more covering, that is cell wall. Okay? A picture of a human chick cell is given over here. You can see it. Cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, and inside it is nucleus. The nucleus membrane is also shown over here. Now what is there in the cytoplasm? हमने देखा jelly like substance between the nucleus and the cell wall is called cell membrane. It is called cytoplasm, right? Now what is there in the cytoplasm? It is a jelly like substance present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. Various other components or organelles of cells are present in the cytoplasm. Different organelles, they are present in the cytoplasm. They are, names are given, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, right, mitochondria, etc. इसके बारे में हम आगे पढ़ेंगे, but you can write that different organelles, right, Golgi bodies, then ribosomes, these are all present in the cytoplasm. Okay. Now nucleus. What is there in the nucleus?